Question number 2. Exercise 13.2. Open your textbook. Question number 2. Rachel, an engineering student, was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with two cones attached at its two ends by using a thin aluminum sheet. The diameter of the model is 3 cm and its height is 12 cm. If each cone has a height of 2 cm, find the volume of air contained in the model that Rachel made. Assume the outer and inner dimension of the model to be nearly the same. In this question, Rachel, an engineering student, was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder. Shaped like a cylinder. Like a cylinder with two cones attached at its two ends. Two cones attached in two ends. An engineering student made a model of rocket by using a thin aluminum sheet. The diameter of the model is 3 cm. Here, diameter is equal to 3 cm. Therefore, radius is equal to 3 by 2 equals to 1.5 cm. You use S for your 3 by 2 or 1.5. And its height is 12 cm. Here its height is, total height, 12 cm. If each cone has a height of 2 cm, each cone's height, total height 12 cm, each cone height h is equal to 2 cm. And here h is equal to 2 cm. Find the volume of air contained in the model that Rachel made. Rachel made a model, then air contained 4 cone. Radius is equal to 1.5 cm. And height of cone. Height is equal to 2 cm. In the question, total height 12 cm. Then height of cylinder is equal to 12 minus 2 minus 2. Then height of we give height of cylinder. Here cylinder whose radius is equal to 3 by 2 or 1.5 cm. Height of cylinder, which is denoted, we denoted its height is equal to h1. Here capital H, then here h small h. Therefore, is denoted h1 is equal to 12 minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 12 minus 4 is equals to 8 centimeter. Height of cylinder is equals to 12 centimeter. Cylinder height is equals to, again, height of cylinder is equals to 12 minus height of two cones is equals to 2 plus 2 is equals to 12 minus 4 is equals to 8 centimeter. Now find volume of air contained in the model. We find volume of air contained in model equals to volume of cylinder plus volume of two cones. Volume of cylinder plus volume of two cones. Volume of cylinder plus volume of two cones. Here, volume of cylinder is equals to pi r square h. But r is same for cylinder and cone, then we use small r. And h, volume height of cylinder, is equals to h1, denoted h1, plus volume of two cones, 2 into volume of cones. Which formula? 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Now pi, common part, r square, then we write h1 plus 2 by 3 pi r square common, 2 by 3 h. Now simplify these terms. Pi is equals to 22 by 7 r square. R square is equals to, in question, pi is equals to saying us 3.14. No. In this question, taking pi is equals to 22 by 7 r square. R is equals to 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. H1 is equals to A plus 2 by 3 into H. H is equals to 2 is equals to 2 11s are 11 9s are 99 by 7 into 2. Here we write A plus 4 by 3. Simplify these terms. 99 upon 7 into 2 multiply into bracket. LCM 24 plus 4 upon 3 is equal to 99 upon 7 into 2 into 24 plus 4, 28 upon 3. I take here LCM. 8 3s are 24 plus 4 upon 3, 28 upon 3. Put value here. 7 4s are 2 2s are 3 33s are 9. Then 33 into 2 is equal to 66 centimeter cube. Then air contained in model equals to 66 centimeter cube. Again, Rashi engineering student. He made a model shaped cylinder and with cone. Here total height is equal to 12 centimeter, cone height is equal to 2 centimeter. Then find height of cylinder is equal to 12 minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 12 minus 4 is equal to 8 centimeter. Radius of cylinder and cone is equal to same, diameter 3 centimeter, then radius is equal to 3 by 2 centimeter is equal to 1.5 centimeter. Volume of air containing volume of cylinder plus volume of two cones. Formula pi r square h1 plus 2 1/3 pi r square h. Here common part pi r square h1 plus 2 by 3 h. Putting the value and simplify this question. These steps, then we find volume of air is equal to 66 centimeter cube, which is our answer. Good morning. Now exercise 13.2, question number 3. A gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to about 30% of its volume. Find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamuns. 30% of syrup, or 30% syrup is 30% of its syrup, of its volume. Syrup is 30% of its volume. 45 gulab jamuns, each shape like a cylinder with two hemispherical ends with length 5 cm and diameter 2.8 cm. Gulab jamun, 45 gulab jamun contain. There are 30%. There is 30% syrup, 30% volume, 30% of volume. Volume of 30% of its volume. Syrup is 30% of its volume. How many gulab jamun? 45%. First we find volume of one gulab jamun. Then we find volume of 45 gulab jamun and find syrup. How many syrup? Syrup is equal to 30% of 45 volume of 45 gulab jamun. 30% of its volume. Now, what's type? Not spherical. Gulab jamun is shaped not a spherical. Its shape is like a cylinder with two hemispherical ends. Its shape is like a cylinder with two hemispherical ends. Here it is like this. Cylinder and two hemispherical ends. With length 5 cm. Total length 5 cm. And diameter 2.8 cm. Diameter this one. Diameter is equal to 2.8 cm. Then we find volume of 1 gulab jamun is equal to volume of cylinder plus volume of two hemisphere. Diameter is equal to 2.8 cm. Therefore, radius is equal to 2.8 by 2 equals to 1.4 cm. 1.4 cm. We want a height of cylinder. Here total height is equal to 5 cm. This is its radius. and it is height of cylinder. Height of cylinder is denoted by h. Total height is equals to 5 centimeter. We know that h is equals to r plus h plus I. To find height of cylinder, h is equals to r plus h plus r. Therefore, h is equals to 2r plus h. Here put the value. H minus 2r is equals to h. Capital H is equals to 5 minus 2 into r is equals to 1.4. Then we find 5 minus 2.8 is equals to h. To 5.0, then we 5.0 minus 2.8, 10 minus 8, 2, 4 minus 2, 2.2 is equals to h. Therefore, h is equals to 2.2 centimeter. H is equals to 2.2 centimeter. Now, volume of gulab jamun is equals to which two shapes combined? Volume of cylinder plus volume of two hemispheres. Volume of cylinder plus volume of two hemispheres. Now, volume of cylinder is equals to pi r square h plus volume of two hemispheres. 2 into, what is the volume of hemisphere? Yes, 2 by 3 pi r cube. Good. 2 by 3 pi r cube. Here pi r square is common. Therefore, h plus 2 2s are 4 by 3 r. It is the volume of 1 gulab jamun. Now, pi is equals to 22 by 7. R square. R is equals to 1.4. Multiply 1.4 into bracket. H is equals to 2.2 plus 4 by 3 into R is equals to, what is the value R? 1.4. Both R are same. Radius of hemisphere and radius of cylinder. 7 2s are 22 into 2.8 into 3 2s are 22 3s are 66 LCM plus 5.6 upon 3. Now, sum is most important for 4 marks, 3 marks or 4 marks. 22 into 2.8 into 6, 6, 12, 1, 6 and 6, 12. 12.2 divided by here 3. Now, multiplication volume of gulab jamun equals to 45 multiply. It is one gulab jamun, volume of one gulab jamun multiply 22 multiply 2.8 multiply 12.2 upon 3. 3, 15, 3s are 45. Now multiplication of both numbers, all numbers is equals to. Now multiply this all numbers. Then do in your rough work. How much? 15 multiply 22 multiply 2.8 multiply 12.2 is equals to 1127.28 centimeter cube. 1127.28 centimeter cube. Syrup up to about 30% of its volume. In gulab jamun, syrup is equals to contains sugar syrup. Find approximately how much syrup. Syrup is equals to 30% of their volume. Equals to 30%, that means 30 upon 100 multiply 1127.28 0 cut 3 8s are 24 2 3 4s are 2s are 6 and 2 8 3 7s are 21 2 3 2s are 6 2 8 3 1s are 3 3 1s are 3 upon 10 equals to 338.184 centimeter cube. Then syrup is equals to in 45 gulab jamun contains how many syrups? 338 centimeter cube. Approximate 338 centimeter cube. Now question again. A gulab jamun contains sugar syrup up to about 30% of its volume. Find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamuns. How many gulab jamuns? 45 gulab jamuns. Each shape like a cylinder with two hemispherical ends with length 5 cm and diameter is equal to 2.8 cm. Gulab jamun is a shape of cylinder and both ends are hemispherical. Now this steps. Its diameter is equal to 2.8 cm and total height capital H is equal to 5 cm. Diameter is given, then we find radius is equal to 1.4. Find height of cylinder. H is equal to H plus 2r. Therefore, H is equal to 5 minus 2r is equal to 2.2 cm. Now find volume of gulab jamun. Then volume of cylinder plus volume of two hemisphere. Putting formula, volume of cylinder pi r square h volume of two hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube 2 that was multiplied by 2. Then pi r square common h plus 4 by 3 r multiplication of these terms is equal to we take it. Then as it is then not multiplication by after 45 volume after find 45 gulab jamun's volume, therefore 45 multiply this number is equal to multiplication of this is 15 2 are 30 33 multiply 2.8 multiply 12.2 is equal to 1127.28 centimeter cube. Then syrup is equal to 30% of its volume. Therefore, syrup is equal to 30% of volume 30 upon 100 into this volume is equal to 3381.84 upon 10 184 centimeter cube. Therefore, in 45 gulab jamun contains syrup is equal to 338 centimeter cube approximately.